everyone, and good morning and Merry Christmas. And welcome to Advent Day 5. Yes, Day 5. And we're going to start with the Fat Quarter Shop, the last item in their box. It's not wrapped, but it is so cute and it goes right along with the fabric and the panel. And it's an exclusive kind of a thing that I think shops can get from the manufacturer, but yes, definitely a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This is the Beverly McCullough Mistletoe Moments ornament for the tree. And it is beautiful. See how close I can get it and so you can see it. I might have too many lights on today. I don't know. There it is. It's going to be interesting to price that out. It's heavy, so you don't want to put it on a small branch or anything halfway from the halfway point up. This will need to be on the halfway point down on the tree. This is a nice solid ornament and it's enameled and it's beautiful and it's gorgeous. Can't take it out. Helps if I find the right place to do it. Maybe you can see a little better. Oh, that's cool. Clink. Yep. Down the counter. There we go. There, now there's probably less reflection. There it is. It is wonderful. I'm very happy with what came in that box. But let's talk about yesterday's Aurifil thread. I think I said when I went back and listened that it was, I said 30 weight. It's 50 weight. It is 50. Orange is 50 weight. It's the Mako cotton, 100% cotton. The color is aluminum. And I priced that out at, well, I was finding prices between 16 and 16.50, so I gave it 16.25, which puts us ahead on those totals, ahead by 27.25. And then now I have to price up the ornament, and then we can find out about price and value for the Jolly Box. And it's doing really well. It is doing really, really well. And I am happy and pleased about that, especially with my investment. So you can feel better about your investment in it. It seems to be paying off. It's good. So now let's go ahead and move into soft squares, which soft squares, Lynn, you and Marlon, you've been knocking it out of the park. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if I can, how nicely I can get this open. It's a real pretty box. It says 5 on it. Pink on pink snowflakes here. Alrighty. Oh, it's in another. Did you get a glimpse of that? Look at what that says. Light box and accessories. Are you got to be kidding me? They're fooling us with the box, maybe. I don't know. Oh, no. No. It is. I have. I was thinking this just this morning. I go, well, you know what? I'd really like to get a light box. I should put that on my wish list. Oh my goodness. And I was thinking I'd really like it kind of a traveling size. I don't want a big one. And conserving on space, I would like something small, portable. Oh my goodness. D-Box Day 5. This is a small version of a very useful item that is working its way into more quilters' homes. This is portable and will be helpful on upcoming projects. The fabric magician is very happy. Uh, I found this thing is easy to bump and turn off. So the little clear thing is a cover for the power button. What I found is, okay, well, we have the power cord. Probably make more sense. And we have instructions written in all kinds of languages. So pick your favorite one and read it. And let me see what she's talking about. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. All right, you're not looking at what I'm looking at. There's the light box. Isn't that something? Stand back, make better light for it. It's, look how, yes, it's very lightweight. So I'll put that aside here. And it would be the button looks very easy to bump. And it's got the little holes down at the bottom at this end down there. Just plug that in. What? I'm flabbergasted. Wow. Wow. How special is that? Make sure I didn't leave anything inside the box. Let's feel. Oh, no, I did. Oh, there it is. This is what she was talking about. The power she put in for the cover. Power button cover. Okay. Yeah. Good idea. I should. Don't really want to ruin the box. It's such a nice box to kind of keep it and store it in. Yep, we're good. Wow. Oh my word. Whoa. I don't know. Okay. Okay. So talking about now we have to talk about yesterday's. That was it was 2 yards of that beautiful Ruby Star Society speckled um, fabric, metallic speckled. Oh, the navy blue was so beautiful when it's got kind of a copper speckling. Oh my gosh, that was so gorgeous. Well, anyway, um, Lynn and Marlin had priced it out at 22. Go online and look for it because we're talking retail. If we had to do, because we're buying this retail, we're looking at retail prices. I put it at 26 because it was like $12.99 a yard. So they may have gotten a great deal on it. That's great. Passing that to us is wonderful. But if we went to go buy it right now, you're going to pay $12.99 a yard. So I'm bumping that to 13. That extra throwing that extra penny, $26, which when subtracted from our investment in there, brings our total down now from 325 to 223. So we're doing good on that side. That is going to keep knocking. And with this light box, I'm just thrilled. Oh, this is hello. I just joy, joy, and more joy. So let's go ahead and move on to Missouri Star Quilt Company. I can't wait to go because I want to get to that using that light box. Oh, and day 5. That's a good way to put that. Day 5. And it's got a box. It comes very picturesque. It could actually, there's a train station there. There's the train going to the station or leaving it. It must be going to it because it's headed that way. And this is the other side, the caboose. And the Chuck's back there on the caboose, I think. And, well, it says, all aboard the Quilty Express Hamilton Station, friends welcome. I'm confused by the box of what could be in here. Doesn't shake. But you could use this box as a part of a Christmas town setup or something. Ooh, there's styrofoam, yay! That's what I wanted, right? should have known the other mug. If you've been getting Missouri Star Quilt, they've every year they've had like a red mug, a turquoise mug, and in a blue mug, and here is the gray one. And it says sewing mends the soul. I've actually liked them. I thought they were very, very cute because each one has a different design, quilt type design on the front. But I will tell you, I'm not going to lie, it's kind of anticlimactic after the light bulb, but it completes a set. And last year we got little measuring cups, ceramic kind of bowl type cups. And I've heard people complain that they're not accurate. Yes, they are accurate because I've actually used them in cooking and I've actually measured them out. Um, and but they're more bowl like, and I actually kind of put snacks in them. You can tell what kind of a snack day it is. Is it a quarter cup day, half cup day, whole cup day? So it's like, yeah, man, it's a cup, a whole cup. I need a whole cup of M&Ms or whatever. Yeah, so it works. But this is nice, completes a set. If you're not into it, you wouldn't be thrilled by it. But then if you're doing it and you collect the whole set, then you can give it to somebody else. And they make, of course, mugs always make nice gifts. So you can fill them with little goodies and stuff, and people adore them. So, not bad. I'm still after it on the light box, the portable light box. Amazing. I hope the rest of you have a grand day. Have a joyful day. Find your joy and help others bring joy to them, or help and bring joy to others. There we go. I'm just the fabric magician's gonna wave her wand and say goodbye. Merry Christmas and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.